In this lesson, let's learn the easiest way to move a database. Now, I did say easiest. This was actually a test question on the MCDBA, which seemed like it was 5,000 years ago. So, what is the easiest way to move a database? Attach and detach. Now, let's look at something first. What do we have right here? SQL 2K8 and a 14 instance. So let's detach Mike and try to reattach it on this SQL Server 2014 instance. Can we do it? Well, let's find out. So the first thing we want to do is get the path. And you're thinking, well, why would we want to do this? Because when you have 5,000 servers that you're doing this to, it's easy to lose the path, I promise. So we've got our path here. We're going to use our Snagit tool to grab that, and we're going to hide our Snagit tool, and we're going to right click, tasks, and we're going to go to detach. And let's come to our handy script button to see what happens. So notice this: use master alter database set single user mode with rollback. All right, so it's interesting how it kills the user connections, isn't it? All right, again, this is what we want to concentrate on though. We are detaching this database, Mike. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. So let's refresh on database to see if Mike is indeed gone. Mike is gone from our 2008 instance. All right, now let's try to attach it with this instance up here, which is a 2014 instance, and let's see what happens. So let's go to right click on databases. Let's go to attach. And let's go to add, and let's hunt down that path. I have it here saved. Let's copy there. Let's hit enter, and that is the path. That is the data file, yet we don't have anything. Let's look at all files. Why? Why don't we have anything? Well, because SQL Server is smart enough to know that you've got a different version. So it's not going to paint that file for you. It's not even going to show you that it's there. But it's there because if we come and look at that same location, let me paste. Let's come up here. And let me paste what I just did. Paste. And let's hit enter. And sure enough, Mike is there. All right, so we can see that Mike is clearly there. As a matter of fact, we can see all these other files. Why doesn't it see any of the data files? All right, it doesn't see them. It doesn't see any of the files because they're the wrong version. So it's not even going to show it to you. So let's cancel out of that. Now let's go hunt down the 2008 version. Let's see if we can reattach it back. Databases, attach. Let's hunt down that same location and see. Oh, look, it takes us right there. And it paints, it shows us the MDFs for this version. All right, so in this lesson, we showed the easiest way to move a database between the same versions. All right, so we saw that we cannot attach and detach a database between different versions. You've got to upgrade that database.